Hello guys, you're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the number system, the whole types of numbers, guys, to be clear. Okay? Yes. So let us start. So basically, I think it will be easy if we come from the bottom, guys. Like sometimes I think from top it will be easy, sometimes from bottom. So for now, first let us try learning from bottom, guys. Okay? So the smallest set of numbers. So basically, numbers could be from minus infinity to infinity, right? Yes, and the numbers could be in terms of points, right? 0.001, 0.002, like that. The number could be anything, right? Yes. So if you take the smallest set among them, so that smallest, we can say it as a subset. That smallest subset will be natural numbers, right? Yes, because it will start from 1 to infinity, that set, no more, right? Yes, so that is nothing but natural number, and it is represented with a capital N, guys. The main reason why I dedicated a particular video for this is because in PYQs, like in every year, you will see at least 1 or 2 questions with this terminology. They will say N. They will not say N is nothing but natural number. They will not say, because they think that that is a small kid, like 10th class, 7th to 10th class children will be learning these things, guys. Like I think even when we are kids, like 5th or 6th also will be learning, but I'm not sure about it, okay? Yes. So they will think that it is a basic thing and everyone will be knowing it, okay? Yes. So N is nothing but natural number and it will start from 1 to infinity. Okay, so if you add one more element, that is nothing but 0, we get whole number, guys, which is represented with W. Okay, so in whole numbers we are having only positive range, right? Yes. So if you add negative range, you will get integers. Got it? Yes. Okay, and in integers also there are no points, right? Like 1.1, 1.2, like that, right? Yes. So if you add those points, like those points also in a different way, that is nothing but only P by Q format is allowed. Okay, so if only P by Q format is allowed, those are nothing but rational numbers, guys. Okay, so few students will be like, okay, so are there any numbers which cannot be represented in P by Q? So if you recall, we are having root 2, guys, which is 1.414, I think, so I'm not sure. Okay, 1.414 and so on. So it will be some number after that also. So if you try to represent it in P by Q format, you cannot represent it, guys. So there are few numbers in that way. So those all come under irrational numbers. Okay, so now you are getting an idea, right? So as we are going from bottom to top. Okay, yes. Okay, so we are done with natural numbers which are represented by capital N, whole numbers with W, integers with Z, and rational numbers are the numbers which are represented in P by Q format with the Q. Irrational are nothing but which cannot be represented in P by Q, like root 2. Okay, again these numbers are of two types again. So those are nothing but real numbers and imaginary numbers. So basically real numbers are nothing but the traditional numbers, and imaginary numbers will have this I value. So if you recall in Python or some other language, you might have tried these things. So A plus IB, this is the imaginary part and this is the real part, guys. Okay, yes, and in mathematics also we'll be learning these things, guys, right? Yes. Okay, so basically what is this I value? So the value for I square is a -1, guys. So if you want to calculate for I, it is nothing but root -1. Okay, yes. Okay, so these all are nothing but complex numbers, to be clear. Okay, and those are the subset of numbers. Okay, yes. So now let us come from top, because now it will be easy, I think so. Okay, so the numbers are complex numbers mainly. So these complex numbers are divided into two types: real numbers and imaginary. Imaginary will be having this iota I. Okay, and real numbers are furtherly divided into rational and irrational, and rational numbers are nothing but which can be represented in P by Q format, and irrational are nothing but which cannot be represented in P by Q, like root 2. Similarly, these rational numbers are further divided into integers. So minus infinity to infinity, whole numbers, that is 0 to infinity, natural numbers 1 to infinity. Got it? Yes. So the main thing that you should remember here is this representation, guys. Okay. Yes. So now you got an idea, right? So natural numbers are N, whole numbers are W, integers are Z, rational numbers Q, irrational numbers IR, real numbers are R, and complex numbers are C. Got it? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this numbers. So in the next lecture, let us continue with some more terminology about the sets, guys. Okay? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the concept. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.